Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your weight? Do you want to finally achieve your dream body? Look no further, because in this video, we're going to show you the ultimate fat loss diet plan. To achieve fat loss, it's important to focus on a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This means including plenty of fruits and vegetables in your diet, as well as lean proteins like chicken and fish. It's also important to limit processed foods and added sugars. These types of foods are high in calories and low in nutrients, and can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Staying hydrated and getting regular exercise can also help support fat loss. Drinking water instead of sugary drinks, and incorporating strength training and cardio into your workout routine. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise plan. They can help you create a personalized plan that works for you. Don't wait any longer to achieve your dream body. Start implementing this fat loss diet plan today, and see the results for yourself. 1. Meal planning. Plan out your meals and snacks in advance to ensure you're sticking to your diet and not reaching for unhealthy options out of convenience or hunger. 2. Keep healthy snacks on hand. Having healthy snacks readily available, such as cut-up fruits and vegetables, nuts, and seeds, can help curb cravings and keep you on track. 3. Track your progress. Keep a food diary or use a food tracking app to monitor your calorie and nutrient intake and measure your progress. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and help curb hunger. 5. Find healthy substitutes. Try to find healthy substitutes for your favorite high-calorie foods, such as Greek yogurt instead of sour cream, or cauliflower rice instead of regular rice. 6. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for weight loss, and lack of sleep can lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. 7. Get support. Share your weight loss journey with friends and family and seek out a support group or a registered dietitian for additional guidance and motivation. 8. Be patient. Remember that weight loss is not an overnight process and that it takes time. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small wins along the way. 9. Exercise. Regular physical activity is important for weight loss, and it can help boost your metabolism and burn calories.
Subscribe to our channel and share your own weight loss journey in the comments.